Best apps for movies, TV shows, live TV, and sports for 2026. So Downloader works just like a web browser. We can enter any URL. For instance, the website we're going to go to, ledbytheunknown.com/downloads. Or I have a short code for you, and so much quicker. And here's our short code, 70178. Then we come down, hit the check mark or go. What's going on, guys? Are you looking for movies, TV shows, live TV, and sports, all on your on-streaming device, on apps you can't find in the App Store? Follow along, I'll show you how. First thing we need to do, hit the little settings button on your remote or come over to quick settings and then select all settings and come down to privacy. Head on over and all the way at the very bottom is security. You slide over here, you have scan with play, protect. Make sure this is off, okay? Once that's done, just hit the home button and we can search one application, Downloader. So you can actually use the voice to text, Downloader.
Results for Downloader.
And we have results for Downloader. Downloader is this icon. This is the one we need to use. Select it. Come down and then select install. Give it a few minutes while it downloads it to your device. Please take this time. I bet you have someone you know that would love to get these apps on their device. Hit the like button and share this with them. Okay, now that the app is open, we can actually just hit open. So Downloader works just like a web browser. We can enter any URL. For instance, the website we're going to go to, ledbytheunknown.com/downloads. Or I have a short code for you, and so much quicker. So we have this little red circle, and it acts just like a cursor. And we have a remote, which acts just like a mouse. And the little control pad here, we can go right, down, left, up. And that's how you control it. And the center button is our select button. So if we just come up, highlight the search field here, select into it, and it brings up a keyboard. In order for this short code, just select the numbers, and here's our short code, 3701778. Then we come down, hit the check mark or go, and this will direct it straight to the Led by the Unknown's downloads page. Once the redirect is done and the page has started to load up, you can come all the way over to the 3-dot button there. We can add this page to our favorites and then hit save. And now we no longer need to worry about the URL or the short code. It'll be there in your favorites for next time. On this page, we have tutorials, some how-tos, some extra videos for you to watch. Come on down. I always suggest getting yourself a nice, reliable VPN. Get out your phone, scan this QR code. It's already up on your TV. Get yourself up to 80% off and a 30-day money-back guarantee to secure your online activity. Best apps for movies, TV shows, live TV, and sports for 2026. First one here, AK. For sports, click on it, automatically starts downloading it to your device. Once it's downloaded, we'll click install. Now Downloader does need permissions in order to do this, so we'll hit settings. Here we highlight Downloader, turn it on, and then it'll ask us to continue the install. We only need to do that change the once. You can do it ahead of time. Doesn't really matter. This way it just automatically wants it to, the device just wants to do it for you. And here we can decline. And then we'll hit done. Now it did boot us out, so we can just back out once. There is an update. You can update it if you want. For this part, I'm just going to hit cancel. And then we're going to delete the installation file as we no longer taking up space on your device. And here, sign up for the newsletter or exit out. Movies, TV shows, live TV. There is a little countdown here. If we come down just a little bit, wait for the countdown to finish. Comes up with this blue box. Hit the white download arrow and select it. Again, very quick download. Install. And we hit done. Delete the installation file. Yes, confirm the delete. And here, if we hit back out, we're back to the page. So then we can do, like, for instance, HD or HQ. Select it. And again, if we just come down just a little bit, wait for the little redirect, and hit the button. Hit install. And we'll hit done. Delete the installation file, confirm the delete. Going back out. Back out. And here, an oldie but a goodie. We have Kodi. Click the blue button. Kodi is a little bit of a bigger program. Sometimes you may find that you have to remove a different application in order to have Kodi fully installed. Install. And here we can just hit done. Delete the installation file, confirm the delete. Now, let's find where these apps went. We can hit the home screen on our remote. And down here, your apps list. Head all the way down and boom, 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 boom. Open. Continue. Audio recording. I'm going to say don't allow. Access photos, media, files. Say allow. Kodi's initial run does take a few moments to get running. And here, plain Jane. Hit the settings icon. All the way to system. Come down to add-ons. Slide over. Highlight unknown sources. Turn that on. Say yes. Back out. Come up to File Manager. Add. Highlights a field, select it. We have a keyboard. So to start this, we need HTTP : we do have a semicolon, so we need a colon, so use the shift button. We have a colon. And then // The rest of it, if you can't see it very well, screenshot this, zoom it in. I might have it here. If I don't, or on the page, it'll have it on there too. Just because it does change occasionally, but if it's a new video, it'll probably be fine. Or if you want to try other ones, there'll be other ones listed. So once you have it all listed in there, just go over and click OK. It'll file name it there, so we can hit OK. Back out one. We hit add-ons. We come down to zip. Find our file name. Select that. Give it a minute. Top right corner. We're good. If you get any kind of failure, connection error or something, you entered the URL wrong, you can also try HTTP or HTTPS. Repository, find our name. Come down to program. Now this has changed a little bit. It used to say Omega, it doesn't anymore. Things changed, that's okay. Select it. Here we have run and install. Won't let us select run. So we install. We used to get this blue screen on the Omega. We don't anymore. It doesn't auto run it anymore. Don't worry. The installing counter percentage, once that's done, give it a moment. We have this popped up again. We're good. Select the chef again. And now we have open. So before, it used to do it all by itself. Now it doesn't want to. So we force it. We build. Now I've had problems with this one, so I'm going to use the server 2. There are these other versions you can try. Select it. Say continue. Now this has a lot to load, download, and install. And it's good to go, my friend. I thank you so much for watching the videos. I thank you so much for the subscribers, the thumbs, the comments. I do try to get to every one of them. It may take me a day or two. Some comments take a lot longer. Sometimes I don't know the answers. I'm trying to find answers for people who have questions that I don't know the answer to. It may take me a little longer to get back to those. 90% of the time, if you have an issue, so 90% of the time, if you have an issue where something goes black screen, install doesn't work, an app doesn't seem to want to open, unplug your device. First things first, unplug it, wait for 30 seconds to a minute, a little longer if you really want to, plug it back in, and go back into where you were trying to do. That, my friend, fixes 90% of the problems. Trust me, I've been doing this a long time. And that's the one and only thing I ever say to do. So now we're extracting the next steps for Cody. This does take a while. I'll probably fast forward all of this for you so you don't get bored by it. In the meantime, I'm Lee. I'm here for all your... Screwed it up. I'm Lee. I'm here for all your on-streaming device needs, tips, and tricks. If you're looking for firestick tips and tricks, follow along this link or the one in the description below, and you can figure out how to do this with your firestick. Very similar, just a couple different nuances with unknown sources. And again, thank you so much for everything. I appreciate you all. Done. Now wants to force close Cody. Boom, force close. We're good to go. Follow along step by step. Some things change. If you have a question about it, no problem. I will try to answer it the best I can. All right. Take care. Happy streaming. Peace. Oh yeah. Someone asked me, how long does this actually take me to do? I just checked the time. It took 19 minutes and 50 seconds to do all of that. So if you can't keep up, that's okay. The version you're going to see, edited to cut it down into time. It's probably only going to be like 16 to 17 minutes long, this whole video. Push pause. Fast forward where you need to. Push pause where you need to. Like I said, the screenshot to get the URL properly. Okay? Enjoy it.